Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your PayPal account number and routing number. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, this feature depends really on your location, your type, your account type, and of course your also PayPal version. Basically, you might have this feature or you might not have it. And basically, to find your PayPal account or account number, you will need just to go to direct deposits feature on your PayPal. So the first thing would be just open up your PayPal, and basically here we are on the home page. Now we will be needing to go to the menu so we can get our account number and routing number. To do so, you will be needing just to go to the menu, and from the menu, you will need to have the direct deposit feature. So basically here I have just manage finances, add banks, cards, etc. Since I have no bank or cards that is linked, I cannot see my account number or the routing number. If you already have your banks that is added, you probably will have the direct deposit function or feature. So by clicking on the deposit, direct deposit, the first thing that will appear is another menu or page that will show your account number and routing number. And from there, you can find them there and then you can view the details of your account. And basically this concerning your direct deposits or your bank account number and their routing number. And it's not the PayPal uh, account number or some identifiers of your PayPal account. PayPal accounts are only identified by your ID and the merchant's ID and other stuff. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.